Trying to conceive is a big problem for certain women. But the formula for conception is simple. Here is the formula to get pregnancy. Healthy egg plus healthy cervical mucus plus healthy sperm is equal to pregnancy. Now you know the formula, and maybe you are wondering how you can apply this formula. Simple. You do the following three things to be successful with your pregnancy. 1. Enhance your egg health. The Fertilica OvaWise kit is designed to support egg health. This kit includes nutritional supplements, herbs and superfoods to help support healthy circulation to the reproductive system, protect the body from free radical damage, and promote general egg health. The Fertilica OvaWise kit is gynecologist approved for quality and safety, and therefore great for balancing hormones and also promoting a healthy period. It is unique. The uniqueness of this kit is that all the essential things needed for egg health are packed together. So, there is no need for you to go around and search around and order each one separately. After receiving the kit, you can use labels like breakfast, between the meals, after the meals, and start taking them. No more complications. Look, egg health is a must. Even if you have been doing fertility treatments like IUI, IVF, etc., this kit is needed for you to amplify your fertility chances. Egg health, regular exercise, fertility massage, and prayers change your life, and you will be blessed with conception. 2. Enhance your cervical mucus health. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. Cervix secrete cervical mucus. Cervical mucus is thick and sticky before the release of an egg. After egg is released, the cervical mucus becomes clear and elastic, and therefore it allows sperm to easily move through until it reaches the egg in the fallopian tubes. One of the major reasons for infertility is that some women don't produce the mucus naturally. Some women don't produce enough mucus. In both the cases, sperm can't meet the egg, and therefore the chances of conception reduces considerably. It is here women use fertility lubricants. You make sure that the lubricant matches the pH of your cervical mucus, as it enables the sperm in meeting the egg. BabyDance fertility lubricant is the first FDA cleared fertility lubricant that proven to mimic the pH of women's cervical mucus. It is therefore facilitate the movement of sperm in meeting the egg without any harmful effects. BabyDance fertility lubricant is a single-use tube and applicator, and therefore convenient to use and also hygienic. You may have been using pre-seed or lubricants which are sticky and don't mimic vaginal ecosystem. Remember, not all the lubricants are equal. What it means is this: some lubricants interfere with the sperm's motility and therefore hamper the chances of conception. Lubricants containing glycerol shown to have a toxic effect on sperm, and therefore it affects the development of embryo after fertilization. So obviously you need to be very cautious in picking up the right fertility lubricant. 3. Enhance your husband sperm health. Remember, male semen should be like a thick gel. Producing healthy sperm in the right amounts requires that the body have all the raw materials it needs. Fertile Aid for Men is the top selling male fertility supplement in the United States for good reason. It has helped tens of thousands of couples conceive. It has been clinically demonstrated in a double-blind, placebo-controlled study to increase the total number of motile sperm a man produces. The male fertility complete kit includes a 1-month supply for Fertile Aid for Men, Count Boost, Motility Boost, Fertile Detox, the Sperm Check Home Fertility Test for men. And don't forget, the fertility formula is simple. Healthy egg plus healthy cervical mucus plus healthy sperm is equal to pregnancy. Want to enhance your fertility 3 times in next 45 days? Can you spend 30 minutes a day to enhance your fertility? Then you need the fertility yoga plan. The fertility yoga plan is all about practicing 3 yogic techniques that require 30 minutes a day. New scientific studies confirm these 30-minute yogic practices can help you get pregnant. Once again, I want to remind you, the fertility formula is simple. Healthy egg plus healthy cervical mucus plus healthy sperm is equal to pregnancy. And to practically apply this formula, you need the following products. The Fertilica OvaWise Kit to enhance your egg health, plus Baby Dance Fertility Lubricant to improve your cervical mucus health, plus Fertile Aid for Men to improve your hubby sperm health, plus the Fertility Yoga Plan to enhance your fertility 3 times is equal to pregnancy. Click the links given in the description for more details. Our mission is to support the women fighting infertility, and therefore give your valuable comments whether our content is helping you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can support even better.